if you're experiencing installation loops on your Xbox Series X. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Restart your console. Turn off your Xbox Series X completely by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Unplug the power cable for a few minutes, then plug it back in and turn the console on. This can help reset any temporary glitches. Step 2. Check for system updates. Navigate to the Settings menu and select System. From there, choose Updates to check if there are any available updates for your console. Installing the latest system updates can resolve installation issues. Step 3. Clear the cache. To clear the cache, turn off your console and unplug it. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to drain any residual power. Plug it back in and turn it on. This can help eliminate corrupted data that may be causing the loop. Step 4. Reinstall the game. If a specific game is causing the installation loop, go to My Games and Apps, find the game, and select Uninstall. After uninstalling, reinstall the game from your library or the Microsoft Store to ensure a fresh installation. Step 5. Factory reset last resort. If the problem persists, consider performing a factory reset. Go to Settings, select System, then Console Info, and choose Reset Console. You can opt to keep your games and apps or remove everything. Be aware that this will erase all data, so back up any important information beforehand. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue on your Xbox Series X. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.